Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome girl. I am super excited to be recording back for YouTube, and I have missed you guys so much. I read you guys comments, and I am here and I am back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little self-care, my weekly maintenance kind of thing, because if you do not know, this channel is for the DIY girls who like to keep it very cute, very demure. So I usually start off doing my nails for my self-care maintenance weekly kind of thing. So in those first couple clips, I showed you my nails pre-prepped, and then the products that I use, I'm going to list all of the products down below. They are going to be all listed in my Amazon shop list. So if you just go ahead and click on that, that'll have every single product that you need. So to pre-prep your nails, you want to start by taking your drill, and you're going to remove any oils off of your nails, and then you're going to want to file and shape your nails. This is just to help your nails grow and they won't look so crazy. Next, you're going to go in with a nail primer, which is basically going to dehydrate the nails, so that way the glue and adhesive will make it stick better. And also wash your hands before this as well. That's why my hands are ashy. I know. That is for a reason, because you want to remove all oil so these nails will stick in longevity. Okay, so now I'm taking my soft gel nail tips that I got from Amazon as well, and you're just going to want to size the nails to your actual nail. You're going to want to size both hands as well, because one hand may be smaller or larger than the other. So make sure you're taking those tips and sizing from sidewall to sidewall. Okay, so now that we got them pre-sized out, you're going to want to take some super glue. I get some super glue from my Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. And you're going to apply it to the artificial nail and to the natural nail. And then you're going to press and make the adhesive stick to each other. This is a completely safe process. I use super glue all the time. It's the same as using nail glue, except I just found that super glue provides longevity and it does not tear up my natural nail. So once you apply the super glue both to your natural nail and the artificial nail, and once you press it, you'll want to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds just to make sure that glue is completely dry, and make sure you're pressing all sides and around the corners and everything, just making sure everything is stuck. Once that 15-30 seconds is up, that super glue is dry, that nail is good to go, and then you're just going to proceed to the next nail. This is what the nail should look like after you place the artificial nails on. Then you're going to cut down. This step is completely optional. I do hair now, guys, so I have to wear short nails now. But this is what you would do. You would cut it down if you need to with your clippers, and then you're going to go in and file the sides and the top. And when you're filing the top, you want to make sure you're going straight across like I am doing. That is going to create this curve here that you see. This is how the nail should look when officially completely prepped. Now, once you applied and filed all the nails to your liking, you're going to get a buffer, and you're going to buff over the artificial nail. You're going to want to take the shine away. This is going to help the polish stick. So if you can see the difference in the nails, you want them to look like the one on the left. Now I'm taking my Modelums. I think that's how you say that, guys. I got this in a pack of white polish. And you're going to paint your nails. You can paint your nails whatever color you like. I'm a white girly, so I am painting my nails. Just make sure you're painting from middle to side to side. This, of course, is a gel polish, so I have to cure it. And this is what the nails look like when finished. Girl, you cannot tell me I didn't go to the nail shop, okay? And look how hard and sturdy they are. Like, come on now. Okay, y'all, nails done. Let's move on to these lashes. So for my lashes, I use hair glue, tweezers, and I order a pair of clusters or a set of clusters from Amazon. I'm going to link those down below for you as well. Amazon is really that girl, okay? So in that first clip, you just see me pre-cleansing my eye with some witch hazel to remove any oils. Now you're going to see how I pour out my glue, and this is how I apply my lashes. I apply them to the hairs underneath my eye. I start from the middle, work my way to the end, and then I go into my inner corner. That just was worked for me. It's a very super simple process. If you want a more in-depth video of me doing my cluster lashes, let me know. But it's super simple. This is how they turned out. I absolutely love them. Super easy process. Okay, now to the favorite portion of the video, the hair. So I ordered this hair off of Amazon. This is a 26-inch deep wave hair. Of course, I'm going to link this down below as well. So this whole video is going to be linked, okay? So don't worry. This is what the hair looks like fresh out the pack, the wave the body was giving, okay? So this is what the hair looks like after I have bleached the knots, plucked it, hot combed the front. Now it's ready to be put on. Okay, so now I'm just slicking back my little edges that I got. Y'all, don't talk about me. If you new here, don't talk about me. I am here for the fine, thin hair girlies that we gonna make it work. We gonna make something happen. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So nothing's too much changed about my hair or wig routine. I still apply my ball cap, but I do not melt it. I do not, repeat, do not melt my bald cap anymore. I just feel like it's just an unnecessary step. I learned it's an unnecessary step, so I do not do that. But I do still apply my foundation, and here on this cotton pad, I have some witch hazel and rubbing alcohol, and that is just to cleanse my forehead from any oils. So everything you want to make sure you is cleansed from them oils, girl. Now I'm taking my Can't Live Without Erica J glue. Ever since I got introduced to this product, y'all, I can't come up off it. I'm going to spend that money every time for this bottle, okay? But I'm going to take this Erica J glue, and I'm going to spread that around. Y'all already know 3 layers. Y'all know how that goes. Spread it, dry it, put the dryer on cool setting, you know what I'm saying? Let's lay this wig. So I start by cutting slits in the wig. You want to do that so you won't have to worry about putting on the wig all at once. Just makes it easier to melt. Now you want to apply the wig. You want to put the wig slightly in front of the bald cap and then place it onto the glue. Make sure you take your comb and really rub that adhesive in. Here you can see why I recommend cutting the slips, just because you do still need to cut off the ear tabs, and it'll just be easier for you to, you know, maneuver around that when you already have a little wiggle room with the lace being cut because it's stretching. So yeah, you're seeing me with my comb here, and I am just pressing that lace into my skin. And just take your time with it, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to pull and maneuver, being that you're the only one doing it, you know what I'm saying? It's usually easier when you have somebody pulling the other side for you, but you can do this. So now that you got the wig placed where you want it, you're going to go ahead and cut off your ear tabs. You want to make sure that you're literally taking your time with this part, because you want the earpiece to lay flat. That just makes the wig, you know, stay longer, and it just makes it look better. Okay, so I went ahead and styled my wig off camera. Please let me know if you want a detailed tutorial of how I style. But this is how the look came out. I had a very successful maintenance day. Please let me know if you like this video or want more videos like this down below in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.